Hello, my name is Manny. I'm a caffeinated human and store leader at 787 Coffee. A pour-over coffee is a method of brewing coffee where water is poured over the coffee grounds in a manual and controlled stream. How to make a pour-over at home? Boil 16 ounces of water using a coffee kettle and let it cool for a few minutes until it reaches around 200 degrees Fahrenheit. Unfold a paper filter and place it into the pour-over cone. We love using a V60 and a Chemex. But there are many cones. Preheat your mug by pouring some hot water into it. Place the pour-over cone into the mug and weigh out 2 tablespoons of coarsely ground coffee. Slowly pour the hot water over the coffee grounds in a circular motion, starting at the center and working your way outwards. Pause briefly to let the coffee grounds bloom, releasing carbon dioxide and other gases trapped within the beans. Continue pouring the hot water over the coffee, working in a circular motion until the mug is filled. Stay caffeinated and keep watching our Coffee Drinks Explained guide, courtesy of 787 Coffee, a from farm to cup coffee experience. Sustainable growing process, roasted to perfection, and brewed with passion and love.